Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Andrew Guy.
So when I ask you to give yourself a round of applause, you actually activate the biceps, the flexors of the forearm, flexors of the upper shoulder, which are called the anterior deltoids. And I also activated my pec major and my pec minor. This is what I'm actually doing. And if you do it properly, you should have activated your abdominal muscles. Transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and the obliques, okay? That's what helped you, my friend, to stand up so straight, okay? So if you were just slouching, then that simply means those muscles are not activated, okay? So I talk about that a lot, okay? So we're going to talk about this main thing here, the truth about success. Because we're here because everybody wants to be successful. There's so many pathways in life, but you have to find the one that works for you. In order for you to find a path, you have to understand who you are. You are the brand. You are the product before they become a product. Success requires you to not just know the brand, which is you. You have to maintain the brand. There are a lot of people that go into business of the entrepreneurship and they don't realize, you know what, they're just like a person sitting in the ship getting tossed to and fro, not understanding who they are, and before you know it, the ship capsized and they've disappeared. You have to know who you are. You've got to understand what you have to offer to society. Does that make sense? You are the brand before the product ever materializes. Okay? So before you actually start on the product, you have to work on yourselves. That means you have to take care of you. You've got to eat healthy. Drink adequate amount of water. There's a lot of times you're going to be up all night writing. My book is on the way out. Listen, I'm working on another one. There's so many things going on. I'm a father of 2 handsome-looking young men. All that is work. And if I'm just going to focus on the business side, they are going to suffer. Just like the musculature of your body. When one side is tight, the other side is stretched out and elongated and become weakened. Does that make sense? Being a great, or should I say an excellent entrepreneur, you have to have balance. Does that make sense? That is what makes you successful. Balance. The moment you give more attention to one side, at least on the right side, these guys become stretched out and weak. And then that trickles up your back, go up to your neck, you have your migraines. It could even start from the ankle, all the way up to the knees and back, okay? That's what I deal with every day. So how can I apply this thing to your life so you can understand how it changes business and changes you? All right, here I go. It's all about you. It's about creating a brand. All of this on the right side is about you, y'all. So who is the brand? The brand is you. Maintaining the brand is important. Becoming brandable, and you have to manage the brand. How do we manage the brand? That means while you work on the business and trying to get the business to others, creating value in others, you have to take care of you. You have to work on you. Have you ever seen business people who have bags under their eyes, can't even walk straight? They are very successful, but one trip to the hospital and they are what? So I want you to be cognizant of this business stuff. You gotta know you, know the brand, take care of the brand. Because even when the product is not out there, you are out there. Doesn't matter what business you want to go into. I mean health and wellness. When I say wellness, I mean wellness. It's not just about the product. It's a holistic approach to you and what you're going to do for the rest of your life. All right, let's go.